Welcome to the introduction video for the ThermoPro TP910 Bluetooth cooking thermometer. Out of the box, you will receive one customer support card, one user manual, one TP910 Bluetooth cooking thermometer, two stainless steel temperature probes, one micro USB charging cable, and one probe clip. Let's go over the design and features. First, press the power button on the back of the device to power it on. Press and hold the Fahrenheit Celsius button for 3 seconds to change the units of measurement. There is an alarm button on the back of the device to enable and disable the alarm for the TP910 thermometer. It also comes with a backlight for usage in low light conditions. Now let's go over how to download the app and pair the device to your phone. Open up the user manual and scan the QR code for your operating system. Download the app and then open it. Allow any Bluetooth, GPS, or notification prompts and then click Start Pairing. Congratulations, you've successfully paired the device to your phone. Now let's go over some of the features that the app has to offer. We will start with setting a preset meat option. On probe 1, click beef, then click medium to change the doneness level to your preference, and then click set. To set an ambient temperature range, choose a probe, select ambient temperature, and then choose a low and high temperature range. Click the back arrow in the top left, and then click set. To set a custom temperature setting, choose a probe, click the red plus sign at the bottom to add a custom setting. Select the target temperature, choose a name for the setting, and then set a temperature of your choosing, and then click save. Select your custom setting, and then click set. This app also offers a timer feature, as well as a temperature graph feature, which you can download and save for your future reference. Now let's go over some of the app's settings. Click the 3 bullets in the top left corner to access the settings. It has a Fahrenheit Celsius option, a disconnection notice if your phone disconnects from the device. It has over 100 different audible alerts for the timer alarm. It has a temperature pre-alarm if you want to be notified before your food reaches its set temperature. And lastly, it has a vibration option. You are now ready to set up and use your brand new ThermoPro TP910 Bluetooth cooking thermometer.